Vinyl window replacement benefits for Madison Heights. MI homeowners are hard to ignore when the goal is lower maintenance, better insulation, and long-term value. Vinyl replacement windows for homes in Madison Heights, Michigan resist moisture, won't rot like older wood frames, and perform well in Michigan weather. For many property owners, comparing window frame materials comparison for replacement windows, vinyl often delivers the strongest balance of affordability and durability. It also supports custom replacement windows for Michigan weather, making it a smart choice for residential window replacement contractor services in Madison Heights, Michigan. Signs you need. Window replacement Madison Heights MI often show up as rising utility bills, stuck sashes, visible frame damage, or frost and condensation issues on windows in Madison Heights MI. When you notice drafty rooms, air leakage, or windows that no longer seal properly, it may be time to replace drafty windows in Madison Heights MI before energy loss gets worse. Homeowners near downtown Madison Heights MI and throughout Oakland County often discover that aging windows are a major source of discomfort, especially during cold winters and humid summers. How to choose energy-efficient replacement windows in Madison Heights. MI starts with comparing insulation performance, glass packages, frame material, and installation quality. Energy-efficient replacement windows for Madison Heights. Michigan weather should include features like low-E coatings, insulated frames, and quality weather stripping. Replacement windows with low-E glass in Madison Heights. Michigan can help control heat transfer year-round, while best insulated replacement windows for Madison Heights, Michigan homes improve comfort and reduce strain on HVAC systems. For Madison Heights MI window replacement for energy-efficient home upgrades, this is one of the most important decisions. How window replacement Madison Heights. MI help reduce utility bills becomes clear once old, leaking windows are replaced with properly sealed units. Homeowners often see energy savings from new windows in Madison Heights MI because modern designs reduce drafts and improve thermal performance. That makes window replacement for drafty homes near downtown Madison Heights MI an investment in lower monthly costs, as well as better indoor comfort. If you are evaluating affordable window replacement services near Madison Heights MI, long-term utility savings should be part of the cost conversation. Double pane versus triple pane replacement windows in Madison Heights MI is a common comparison for homeowners seeking stronger insulation and noise control. Double pane units typically offer excellent value for most homes, while triple pane options can provide even better thermal performance and sound dampening. For properties near busy streets, soundproof window replacement in Madison Heights MI near major roads may be worth the added cost. The best choice depends on your budget, home style, and whether your priority is noise reduction benefits of replacement windows in Madison Heights MI or maximum energy performance. How long does window replacement Madison Heights MI depends on the number of windows, the condition of the existing frames, and whether custom sizing is required. Most residential window replacement process in Madison Heights MI projects can be completed efficiently by professional window installers serving Madison Heights, Michigan, and nearby areas. What to expect during professional window installation usually includes removal of the old unit, inspection of the opening, installation of the new window, sealing, insulation, and cleanup. For larger projects like patio door and window replacement in Madison Heights, Michigan, timing may extend slightly. Window replacement for older homes in Madison Heights MI often requires extra care because older construction can involve unusual frame dimensions, hidden water damage, or settling issues. That is why custom window installation for Madison Heights MI houses is frequently recommended for bungalows, ranch homes, and historic properties. Window replacement for bungalows in Madison Heights MI and window replacement for ranch homes in Madison Heights MI may also call for style matching to preserve curb appeal. For older structures, best window styles for replacement in Madison Heights MI should balance authenticity, efficiency, and function. How to find a trusted window replacement contractor in Madison Heights MI begins with checking licensing, local experience, reviews, warranties, and product knowledge. A licensed window replacement company in Madison Heights MI should be able to explain window replacement cost in Madison Heights MI, provide accurate window replacement cost estimates in Madison Heights MI neighborhoods, and outline the differences between product lines. When comparing how to compare window replacement quotes in Madison Heights MI, look beyond price and review installation methods, materials, and warranty coverage. Local window replacement experts in Madison Heights and Oakland County can also help with financing guidance. Window replacement cost in Madison Heights MI varies based on window size, style, frame material, glass package, and labor. Affordable window replacement services near Madison Heights MI may still include strong value if the contractor offers durable products and skilled installation. Window replacement financing options in Madison Heights MI and replacement window financing for Madison Heights MI homeowners can make larger projects more manageable, especially when upgrading multiple windows at once. If you are planning Madison Heights, Michigan residential window replacement contractor services, request a detailed estimate that includes materials, labor, removal, and disposal. Best window replacement options for homes in Madison Heights MI often depend on the architecture and performance goals of the property. Double-hung window replacement in Madison Heights MI is popular for versatility and easy cleaning, while casement window replacement services in Madison Heights, Michigan can improve ventilation and ceiling performance. Replacement windows for improved curb appeal are especially useful when upgrading the front elevation of a home. For homeowners seeking home window upgrade ideas for Madison Heights MI property owners, matching the style of the house with efficient window design can transform both appearance and comfort. How to prepare your home for window replacement is simple, but important for a smooth project. Clear window areas, remove blinds or curtains, protect furniture, and create easy access for installers. Seasonal window replacement tips for Michigan homes also matter, since milder weather can make scheduling easier and help limit indoor temperature changes during installation. Common window replacement mistakes to avoid include choosing the cheapest option without checking performance, ignoring frame damage, and failing to hire professional window installers serving Madison Heights, Michigan, and nearby areas. For best results, select replacement window options for Oakland County MI homeowners that fit your home, budget, and long-term efficiency goals.